So did you want to see what was in bloom today? So today I thought I'd give you a quick little tour around. Thought we'd just show you what's happening today in the garden because it's August. It's August, which is different from July or June. No, anyways, so we just wanted to give you a quick little update on a few things and putter around a little bit and just show you what's happening in the yard. But with this little guy, this little rose, so he got munched by the deer, but he's coming back, and that one we had to basically trim it, almost start over with him because the black spot was so bad on both of these actually. But they're coming back now, so they're doing much better, and we have the lavender coming in nicely. It's just really nice too to see the colors, how they come in a peachy color and then they fade almost to a white. So they're really nice. Really like these ones a lot. And so did the deer. And a few more here. We also wanted to show you our Annabelle, which also got munched by the deer. But so Annabelle's a little behind because the deer, we left the gate open, so the deer had a little fun day in our yard. But the Annabelles were covered and there's still some blooms. We had some rain, so some of it's falling over. But anyway, so that's our Annabelle. Not doing too bad considering, you know, it was food for the deer. So we also want to show you our plum tree right over here. So we have lots of plums coming in here. They're all getting nice and ripe. So we're going to come in here pretty soon and start picking the plums out of here. You can see they're turning color now and getting nice and ripe. A couple on the ground. Ta-da! So these are the heirloom echinacea. They're the old-fashioned ones. Except for these ones here are the white swan, and the ones in front of that are the powwow. Just want to give you a little shot of the echinacea growing back here. Super big, almost like sunflowers, and the little bees on them. So that's our little echinacea party. So these are our little hawkheads here. And they're a fuchsia, a hardy fuchsia, and they did come back. We weren't sure they were going to make it, but they did. And they're about to bloom, and they will be super duper hummingbird food. And also our Edelweiss. So this is our Edelweiss lavender with all the cute little skippers. I don't know what they're little brown butterfly. They're called skippers. Anyways, so it's filled with skippers and bees. And we just wanted to update you on the little lavender situation here. So, oh, and we have a couple little bundles of phlox coming in now. But yeah, so that's the phlox. The hummingbirds like it, yay. One, there's a little butterfly here on this one. 2 and 3. We have 3 little bundles of globe thistle. So they don't look so great on their own, but they're nice if you fill stuff in around them. So we'll probably be filling these in a little bit more. A little skipper. Yeah, so and then we just have a few more little globe thistles over here also. Yeah, that's about it for the globe thistle. So that's a little update. Anyways, just wanted to give you a little cruise around and show you what was happening here in the middle of August. And everything's still pretty young, and so everything's still pretty small. And but we just want to show you how everything's coming along. So hey, so thanks for popping by, and we'll catch you in the next one.